Forgiveness isn't weakness, it's leadership maturity. Hey friends, Chris Natzke here, America's Breakthrough Sensei, and welcome to 2 Minutes to Breakthrough. Today's message is one that isn't always easy, but it is transformational. Forgive to move forward. Now, let me be clear. Forgiveness isn't about excusing behavior. It's not about pretending something didn't hurt, and it's definitely not saying that what happened was okay. However, forgiveness is about freedom. Because when you hold on to resentment, when you replay betrayal, when you keep reliving disappointment, you may think you're protecting yourself. But what you're really doing is carrying weight that slows you down. In martial arts, we don't train while clinging to the last round. If you stay stuck in what just happened, you miss the next move. And leadership works the same way. You see, you cannot step fully into your future while gripping tightly onto your past. Sometimes the person you need to forgive is someone else. And sometimes, if we're honest, it's ourselves. That decision you regret, that opportunity you missed, that mistake you keep replaying. But here's the truth. You're not your worst moment. You're not your past. And you don't have to keep paying interest on emotional debt. So let me ask you, who or what do you need to forgive? What weight are you ready to release? Forgiveness doesn't change the past, but it absolutely changes your future. This week, choose freedom over resentment. Choose peace over pride. Choose movement over memory. Because breakthrough isn't about pushing forward. Sometimes it's about releasing what's behind you. And if you're looking to begin each day with breakthrough that become the foundation of a championship life, click the link below and download my free ebook, The 6 M's of Morning Mastery. Together, let's keep breaking through. We'll see you next time.